unboxing of the Holystone HS720G, and I am super excited about this. It has electronic image stabilization. It has 4K 3840 times 2160 at 30 FPS, 2-axis gimbal. Oh my God, this stuff is crazy. Oh my gosh. This stuff is crazy. Ages 16 and up, but if you have children and you're an adult, use it with caution. You don't want this thing just to go flying out and get lost in a lake like somebody's drone I know did. I'm hearing some horror stories about that type of stuff, but I'm super excited about this. So let's open this up, because this is like one of the best things that ever happened to mankind. The unboxing of the HS720G. I'm loving it. Comes in this box right here. I'm gonna take a good look at it. Let's see what's in this box. First, it's nicely packaged, as you see, very well packaged, put together very nice. So you see it has the handle, and the instructions for use. Extra propellers. That is just to keep the battery from making sure it doesn't connect with something else. Transmitter. Very nice, very lovely. This is where the battery goes. I like this. I love it. Thank you for watching.